Today's lesson is binomial expansions with a 2 next to it. It's because we've already done one of them. And I will preface this with you do need to use Pascal's triangle for this lesson. The difference between what we've done in the past and what we're doing now is, I think you'll recognize it when I write this down. It's minus 3x plus 2y squared raised to the 4th power. The ones that we did in the past were just x plus y, or a plus b, or c plus d. These clearly are not just an a, a b, a c, a d, x, or y. So the same process is going to apply, but instead of just having x's and y's, the first term will be negative 3x, and the second term will be 2y squared in this case. So let's go ahead and get Pascal's triangle going. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. That's 0 power, 1, 2, 3, 4th power. So this is the line we're going to use right here. All right, remember it's to the 4th power, so how many terms are we going to have? We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's always one more term than the power that you're raising it to. The first term, and I'm just going to write negative 3x here so we don't forget. And the second term is 2y squared. That's so I don't forget what the term is that I'm going to substitute in there. So because it's the 4th power here, this will be 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 0 power, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4th power. And the last thing is the coefficient. And that's where the line in Pascal's triangle comes in. So that's 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now this says to find the 4th term. So this is what we're going to be using right here. So we're going to take the first term to the, well, the coefficient's going to be 4. The first term raised to the 1st power, the second term raised to the 3rd power. Okay, the coefficient, the exponent on the first term, the exponent on the second term. Okay, all right, so now then that'll be negative 12x. This becomes 8y to the 6th. So if we multiply that out, it's negative 96x y to the 6th. So it's the same process as before. If you're used to using that, you'll be fine on this one. All right, the next one actually uses the same Pascal's triangle. I think I have enough room to get it on here. 102.2 is asking us to do 2a squared minus x cubed raised to the 4th. So, and it's the whole expansion. Maybe I won't have room. We'll go to the next page if we need to. So there's going to be 5 terms. And the first term in this case is 2a squared, and the second term is negative x cubed. That negative does go with it. And because it's to the 4th power, this starts out with 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the coefficient is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. All right, so 5 terms. The first one is going to be 1, and it'll be 2a squared to the 4th power, and this to the 0, which is just 1. Plus 4, 2a squared to the 3rd times negative x cubed to the 1st. Plus 6, 2a squared squared times negative x cubed squared. Plus 4, 2a squared negative x cubed to the 3rd. And then the last term, I'll just write it here until we simplify. Plus 1 minus x cubed will be raised to the 4th power. All right, so let's see, how is that going to simplify? 2a squared to the 4th would be 2 to the 4th, which is 16 a to the 8th. And then plus, let's see, 4 times 2 to the 3rd is 8, a to the 6th, and then times that negative x cubed. And then plus 6 times 2 squared is 4a to the 4th times minus, well, the minus will become a positive because it's negative x cubed squared, so it'll be x to the 6th. Then plus 8a squared times minus x to the 9th. And then negative x cubed to the 4th will be plus x to the 12th. All right, so simplifying that, that will become 16a to the 8th. 4 times negative is minus, 4 times 8 is 32, a to the 6th, x cubed. 6 times 4 is 24, a to the 4th, x to the 6th, minus 8a squared, x to the 9th, and then plus the x to the 12th. All right, so you have to be super careful on your exponents, but it certainly is a lot easier than trying to multiply that thing out to the 4th power. All right, last one on page 581. 102.3 is to raise minus 3x plus 2y squared to the 5th power, and we're finding the 3rd term. So how many terms are there? It's raised to the 5th power, so there's going to be one more than that term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the exponent, let's see this. The first term is negative 3x. The second term is 2y squared. So this will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now Pascal's triangle. Okay, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is what we need right here. So the coefficient will be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Looking for the 3rd term, so we're using this right here. So the coefficient is a 10. First term is negative 3x, raise it to the 3rd power. Second term is 2y squared, raise it to the 2nd power. So 10, negative 3 cubed will be negative 27x cubed. 2 squared is 4, y to the 4th. So positive, positive is negative. 4 times 27 would be 8. 108 times 10 would be 1080. X cubed, y to the 4th. And there it is. All right, so as long as you're using the procedure that I'm showing you here, this will be a pretty straightforward, easy problem. All right, 2 lessons left, guys.